Welcome! If you've ever dreamed of turning your creativity into a thriving online business, Etsy is a fantastic place to start. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner seller on Etsy. Whether you're passionate about handmade crafts, vintage finds, or unique digital products, Etsy offers a global marketplace to showcase your talents. We'll cover the basics, from setting up your shop to making your first sale, and share tips to help you stand out. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to Etsy's success together. Etsy is an online marketplace that connects creative entrepreneurs with buyers looking for unique, handcrafted, or vintage items. Unlike other e-commerce platforms, Etsy specializes in products that are often one-of-a-kind or made in small batches. This makes it an ideal platform for artists, crafters, and collectors. If you're wondering whether your products are a good fit, think about items that are handmade, vintage, at least 20 years old, or craft supplies. Etsy's community is supportive and values originality, making it a welcoming space for beginners. Choosing Etsy as your selling platform comes with several advantages. First, Etsy has a built-in audience of millions of buyers who are specifically searching for creative and unique products. The platform is user-friendly and provides tools to help you manage your shop, track orders, and communicate with customers. Etsy's reputation for supporting small businesses and artisans means your products are showcased in a community that values quality and creativity. Plus, Etsy offers resources and forums where you can learn from experienced sellers and grow your business. On Etsy, you can sell a wide variety of products, but there are some guidelines to keep in mind. The main categories include handmade items, vintage goods, and craft supplies. Handmade items must be made or designed by you, while vintage items should be at least 20 years old. Craft supplies can be tools, materials, or ingredients for making things. Digital products like printables and patterns are also popular. Before listing, make sure your products comply with Etsy's policies to avoid any issues down the line. Before opening your shop, it's important to research your niche. Take time to browse Etsy and see what similar sellers are offering. Look at product categories, pricing, and customer reviews. Pay attention to what's trending and identify gaps in the market where your products could stand out. Understanding your competition helps you position your shop and products more effectively. This research phase is crucial for setting realistic expectations and developing a strategy for success. Getting started on Etsy is simple. Begin by signing up for an Etsy account. Visit Etsy's website and click on the Sell on Etsy button. You'll be guided through the process of creating your account, entering your email, and setting a password. Make sure to use an email address you check regularly, as Etsy will send important updates and notifications. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start building your shop. Your shop name is your brand's first impression. Choose a name that reflects your products and is easy to remember. Etsy allows shop names up to 20 characters, so keep it short and catchy. Before finalizing, check if the name is available and not already in use. Your shop name will appear in your URL and on every product listing, so make it count. If you're unsure, brainstorm a few options and ask friends for feedback. After choosing your shop name, you'll need to set up your shop preferences. This includes selecting your shop language, country, and currency. These settings help Etsy display your shop correctly to buyers around the world. Make sure to choose the language you're most comfortable with, as this will be the default for your listings and communication. Setting the right currency ensures your prices are clear to customers. Visual branding is key to attracting customers. Design a shop banner and logo that reflect your style and products. Your banner appears at the top of your shop page, while your logo is shown on listings and in search results. Use clear, high-quality images and consistent colors to create a professional look. If you're not a designer, there are free tools online to help you create simple graphics. A cohesive visual identity builds trust and makes your shop memorable. Your shop bio is your chance to connect with customers, share your story, your passion, and what makes your products unique. Keep it friendly and authentic, and let buyers know what they can expect from your shop. Mention your creative process, materials, or inspiration. A well-written bio builds trust and encourages shoppers to explore your listings. Remember, people love buying from real people, so let your personality shine through. Now it's time to add your first product. Click Add a Listing in your shop dashboard. Upload clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Write a detailed title and description, including keywords buyers might use to search for your product. Set your price, quantity, and shipping details. The more information you provide, the easier it is for buyers to make a decision. Double-check everything before publishing your listing. Great photos are essential for selling on Etsy. Use natural light whenever possible and avoid harsh shadows. Show your product from different angles and include close-ups of important details. Use a clean, uncluttered background to keep the focus on your item. If you sell wearable items, consider showing them in use. High-quality images help your products stand out and build buyer confidence. Your product description should answer any questions a buyer might have. Describe the item's features, materials, size, and care instructions. Use clear, concise language and highlight what makes your product special. Incorporate keywords naturally to help your listing appear in search results. Think about what information would help a buyer feel confident in making a purchase. The more details you provide, the fewer questions you'll receive. Setting the right price is important for attracting buyers and making a profit. Consider the cost of materials, time spent, and any fees Etsy charges. Research similar products to see what others are charging. Don't undervalue your work, but also be realistic about what customers are willing to pay. Remember to factor in shipping costs if you offer free shipping. A well-thought-out pricing strategy helps your business grow sustainably. Shipping is a key part of the customer experience. Decide which countries you'll ship to and choose your shipping methods. Calculate shipping costs based on package, size, weight, and destination. Etsy offers shipping labels and tools to help you manage orders efficiently. Be clear about your processing times and estimated delivery dates. Providing accurate shipping information helps set buyer expectations and reduces the chance of disputes. Etsy charges several types of fees, including listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees. Each product listing costs a small fee, and you'll pay a percentage of each sale. It's important to understand these fees so you can price your products appropriately and avoid surprises. Etsy provides a breakdown of fees in your dashboard, so review them regularly to keep your business on track. To receive payments, you'll need to set up your payment methods. Etsy offers several options, including direct deposit to your bank account and PayPal in some countries. Enter your banking information securely in your shop settings. Make sure your details are accurate to avoid payment delays. Etsy's payment system is designed to be safe and convenient for both sellers and buyers. Etsy uses a search algorithm to help buyers find products. To improve your visibility, use relevant keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions. Think about what words buyers would use to search for your items. Use all available tags and update your listings regularly to stay current with trends. The better your SEO, the more likely buyers are to discover your shop. Promotion is essential for attracting buyers. Share your shop on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Consider running Etsy ads to boost your listings in search results. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to reach a wider audience. The more you promote, the more traffic you'll drive to your shop. Consistent marketing efforts pay off over time. Excellent customer service sets you apart on Etsy. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and be polite and helpful in your communication. Answer questions about your products, shipping, or policies clearly. Quick and friendly responses build trust and can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Remember, happy customers are more likely to recommend your shop to others. Once you start receiving orders, it's important to process them efficiently. Pack your items securely and ship them within your stated processing time. Use tracking numbers when possible to give buyers peace of mind. Mark orders as shipped in your dashboard and send a friendly message to let customers know their package is on the way. Good order management leads to positive feedback and repeat sales. Returns and refunds are part of running any business. Clearly state your return and refund policy in your shop settings. If a customer requests a return, respond promptly and professionally. Work with the buyer to resolve any issues and process refunds as needed. Handling returns gracefully shows buyers you care about their satisfaction and can turn a negative experience into a positive one. Reviews are a powerful tool for building credibility. Encourage buyers to leave reviews by providing excellent service and following up after delivery. Positive reviews help attract new customers and improve your shop's ranking in search results. If you receive negative feedback, respond professionally and try to resolve the issue. Learning from reviews helps you improve your products and customer experience. Etsy provides analytics tools to help you track your shop's performance. You can see how many people visit your shop, which products are most popular, and where your traffic comes from. Use this data to make informed decisions about your listings, pricing, and marketing strategies. Regularly reviewing your analytics helps you identify trends and opportunities for growth. As your shop grows, consider expanding your product line. Introduce new items that complement your existing products or appeal to your target audience. Listen to customer feedback and watch for trends in your niche. Offering a variety of products can attract repeat buyers and increase your sales. Just be sure to maintain quality and stay true to your brand's identity. Take advantage of seasonal and holiday sales to boost your shop's visibility. Plan ahead for major holidays and create themed products or promotions. Update your shop banner and listings to reflect the season. Offering limited time discounts or bundles can encourage buyers to make a purchase. Seasonal marketing keeps your shop fresh and relevant throughout the year. Keeping track of your inventory is essential for smooth operations. Regularly update your stock levels and remove sold-out items from your shop. Use Etsy's inventory management tools to help you stay organized. Accurate inventory management prevents overselling and ensures you can fulfill orders promptly. As your business grows, consider using spreadsheets or inventory software for more complex needs. Running an Etsy shop means you'll need to handle taxes and comply with local laws. Keep records of your sales and expenses for tax purposes. Research your country's tax requirements for online sellers and register your business if necessary. Etsy provides some tax tools, but it's wise to consult a professional for guidance. Staying compliant protects your business and gives you peace of mind. Every shop experiences slow periods. If your sales dip, don't get discouraged. Use the time to review your listings, update photos, and refresh your product descriptions. Experiment with new keywords or run a limited time promotion. Engage with your audience on social media and ask for feedback. Slow sales are an opportunity to improve and prepare for your next busy season. One of the best ways to grow is by learning from others. Join Etsy forums and online communities to connect with experienced sellers. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your own experiences. Many sellers are happy to offer advice and support. By networking, you'll gain valuable insights and stay motivated on your Etsy journey. Creativity is the heart of every successful Etsy shop. Stay inspired by exploring new techniques, materials, and trends in your niche. Take breaks when needed to avoid burnout and keep your passion alive. Attend workshops, follow artists you admire, and experiment with new ideas. The more you nurture your creativity, the more unique and appealing your products will be. Running an Etsy shop can be rewarding, but it's important to maintain balance. Set realistic goals and schedules for your business. Don't be afraid to take time off when needed. Use tools like order scheduling and automated messages to help manage your workload. Remember, a healthy work-life balance keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. As your shop grows, you may want to scale your business. Consider outsourcing tasks like photography, packaging, or marketing to free up your time. Explore wholesale opportunities or collaborations with other brands. Invest in better tools and materials to improve your products. Scaling requires planning, but it can lead to greater success and satisfaction. Your brand is your reputation. Protect it by delivering quality products and excellent service. Register your business name and consider trademarking your logo if you plan to grow. Monitor your listings for copyright infringement and report any unauthorized use of your work. Building a strong, trustworthy brand ensures long-term success on Etsy. Competition on Etsy can be fierce, but it's also an opportunity to learn and improve. Focus on what makes your products unique and highlight your strengths in your listings. Keep an eye on competitors, but don't copy their work. Instead, find ways to differentiate your shop through quality, service, and creativity. Healthy competition drives innovation and growth. Etsy offers a range of tools to help you manage your shop. Use the dashboard to track orders, manage inventory, and communicate with customers. Explore features like sales reports, shipping labels, and marketing tools. Familiarize yourself with these resources to streamline your workflow and save time. The more efficiently you run your shop, the more you can focus on creating great products. Etsy's mobile app makes it easy to manage your shop on the go. You can respond to messages, update listings, and track orders from your smartphone. The app also lets you receive notifications about new sales or customer inquiries. Mobile selling gives you flexibility and helps you stay connected to your business wherever you are. Selling internationally opens up new markets for your products. Research shipping options and customs requirements for different countries. Clearly state your international shipping policies and estimated delivery times. Consider translating your listings or using currency conversion tools to make shopping easier for global buyers. International sales can help your business grow and reach a wider audience. Negative feedback can be tough, but it's also a chance to improve. Read the feedback carefully and try to understand the customer's perspective. Respond professionally and offer solutions where possible. Use criticism as an opportunity to refine your products or service. Most buyers appreciate honest, constructive responses and may even update their review if you resolve the issue. Etsy's policies can change, so it's important to stay informed. Regularly review Etsy's seller handbook and policy updates. Make sure your shop and listings comply with the latest rules. Staying updated helps you avoid penalties and ensures a smooth selling experience. If you have questions, reach out to Etsy support or join seller forums for clarification. Etsy offers advertising options to help you reach more buyers. Start with a small budget and test which products perform best. Monitor your ad performance and adjust your strategy based on the results. Well-targeted ads can increase your shop's visibility and drive more sales. Remember, advertising is just one part of a successful marketing plan. Loyal customers are the foundation of a successful Etsy shop. Offer excellent service, respond to messages quickly, and consider including a thank you note or small gift with orders. Create a mailing list to keep buyers informed about new products or special offers. Building relationships with your customers encourages repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Automation can save you time and reduce stress. Use Etsy's built-in tools for order management, inventory tracking, and customer communication. Explore third-party apps for scheduling social media posts or managing finances. Automating repetitive tasks lets you focus on creating and growing your business. The right tools make running your shop more efficient and enjoyable. Think beyond your first sale and plan for the future. Set long-term goals for your shop, such as expanding your product range, increasing sales, or reaching new markets. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay adaptable and open to learning. With dedication and planning, your Etsy shop can become a lasting and rewarding business. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards selling on Etsy. Remember, every successful shop started with a single listing. Stay patient, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and enjoy the journey. With creativity, persistence, and a customer-focused mindset, you can build a thriving Etsy business. Good luck and happy selling!